What if most of the things you worry about will never actually happen? Marcus Aurelius believed that much of human anxiety is created by the imagination, not by reality. The mind travels into the future, invents possible disasters, and then reacts to those imagined problems as if they were already real. We worry about failure before we fail, rejection before it happens, and problems that may never appear at all. The Stoics saw this clearly. They believed that worry grows when the mind tries to control what it cannot control. The future, the reactions of other people, unexpected events, and the countless possibilities of chance. When the mind tries to control these things, anxiety becomes endless because the future is never fully predictable. Epictetus explained the solution with one of the most important ideas in Stoic philosophy. Some things are within your control, and some things are not. Your actions are within your control. Your judgments are within your control. Your effort and your character belong to you. But the outcome of events, the opinions of others, and the direction of the future never fully belong to you. When you forget this distinction, the mind tries to carry the entire weight of the future. And that impossible burden is what many people experience as worry. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself not to be overwhelmed by the future. Instead of carrying tomorrow, next week, and next year all at once, he focused on the present task. One action, one decision, one moment at a time. The Stoics believed that calm does not come from controlling the future. It comes from directing your energy toward what you can actually do right now. When your attention returns to the present moment, many imagined problems immediately lose their power. Because most of them exist only in the stories your mind tells about the future. So the next time worry appears, pause for a moment and ask yourself a simple question. What part of this situation is truly within my control today? Focus on that action and let the rest of the future take care of itself. Because the Stoics understood something most people forget. You cannot control the future, but you can control the mind that faces it.